How to get $100 Whataburger promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Whataburger coupons and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites are for the coupon codes. You can scroll down and hit towards any of the website. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, DealSport. Once you open any of the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Whataburger is an American regional fast food restaurant chain headquartered and based in San Antonio, Texas that specializes in hamburgers. Whataburger's following has grown exponentially in its more than 70-year history thanks to a number of features including its famous burgers and growing list of menu items, its iconic orange and white striped restaurants, and its famous fancy ketchup. In order to get discounts on Whataburger menu, you can use these coupon codes. So you can check out these coupons. If you're interested in any of the deal, click on the option Show Promo Code. So here's the promo code, you can copy it. I have selected 20% off. After you select the code, make sure to check the expiration date of the code if it is valid or not. Once you check that, you will be good to go. Now you are able to use this code. If you want to use this promo code right away, click on this option. Use shop.whataburger.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Whataburger. Now you can place your order, and when you check out, you can apply this code. By applying the same process, you can grab other deals of Whataburger as well. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Whataburger promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.